Welcome to CO2 Partners Values Assessment. I'm going to help you get started. First, you want to put your name in the username and then type your email address where you want the report to be sent when you complete the assessment. Now press play and the assessment will begin. This works just like Solitaire does on your computer. You grab the card and you bring it over to the area that you think best fits with that value. Notice that on the far right, it's those things that are not valued, all the way to the left, which are those things that are extremely valued. As you pull the cards, they will stack upon each other so you can see what's in each stack. In order to complete step 1, you need to complete it by putting 18 cards in the extremely valued deck, and then you click on step 2. The step 2 will not show up unless you've sorted them all out. On step 2, you are now going to sort those 18 cards into their respective decks based upon your value ranking. And then you'll see step 3 show up on the bottom left. You're only allowed to put 6 cards in the left-hand column. When you finish sorting all of those cards, click on step 3. And now you're going to sort the final 6 in priority ranking. So here you want to put the most important value to you in spot 1 and rank them to the 6 card spaces you have. Once you do that, press Final Step. You're almost there. Here we're going to ensure that we have the right email address, your name, what your designation is, your title at the company, gender, age. That we use just to help understand what values are showing up for people based upon their demographics. This is where you start to define it. So we've created links to Wikipedia if you'd like some help in the definition of how you want to define each of these values. Here I take a selection, I put it into the meaning, I paste it, and then I add to it. And once I finish that one, then I go on to authentic. And with authentic, I'm going to show you a different way to come up with a definition. I'm going to go search on Google for a quote for authenticity. I type it in, do my search. I like brain quotes. It's often a good one to go to. And I look through and I find this one from Barbara DeAngelis. And I put it into the authentic. I add some more, and then I click submit. So there you are, and it's time for you to put in your name, your email address, and click play and find out your values.